Working on the cast. Working on the cast. All right, I'm here at in Orangeville at Island Lake. Got a couple of buddies here gonna fish with. I got Mike. He's brought out two young athletes with us today. They've never fished or kayaked, or never kayaked, so we're gonna give it a go. They're totally new to this, so let's see how that goes. They're both on the bigger side too. They're both near 7 feet tall. Like I said, we're in Orangeville. It's windy too. But we're gonna do our best. We've got the Predator XL, right, Mike?
XL, correct.
XL. We got a Jackson HD FD, but without the FD part. Just the HD part today. I brought my two kayaks. I've got the Mayfly and the Kusa. So we've got 4 very stable kayaks. It's more about probably getting out on the water, enjoying a paddle, throw a few casts, see how it goes. Give a quick hello to Mike, Jaden, Charles. We got a $100 bet on the no, just kidding. All right, we're gonna head up. How you feeling, buddy?
Oh, I'm feeling nervous right now, to be honest.
Nervous, are we?
Yeah.
Is that rod gonna be in your way or no? It's going to be real tippy with the back keel on the shore. So grab that paddle, put it across your lap, in front of the rod. Now remember, keep the nose straight. Here, hold on a sec, Mike. Jalen, look at the paddle. Turn it to me, like spin it with your hands. Keep going. Okay, now flip it all the way around so the left is on the other side of you. Yep, all the way around. Yeah, you got it. And now look at see how you can read it? See how you read the paddle?
Yeah.
That means you've got it in the right way now. So now you can paddle, and you're gonna wanna go hard on the right to keep you straight. Like, yeah, when Mike pushes you out, then you're gonna want your nose pointing into the waves. Yeah, you heard what I said, eh, Charles? With the so you can read the paddle like that, then you know it's proper.
Yeah, so pretty much, I'm kind of this way, more harder this way.
Yeah, if you paddle on the right, it'll bring you to the left, and 2 or 3 paddles on one side to pull you to the one direction or to the other. Let me push you out. So give it a hard swoop on the right.
Yeah.
Like, no, get the blade in the water. Turn the, you're holding the paddle wrong. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, no, press it. Right hand,
turn your blade around too. Your blade's backwards. No, turn it. Yeah, like that.
We'll see you guys in Niagara Falls.
Once they get the paddle in. Okay, I'm gonna get out there with them because they need a few tips here.
How do I turn like fully? Like I want to turn like this way. Like how do I turn like like this way?
You can do a backstroke on the left side, or sorry, on the right side. Like that. Like back. Yeah, a hard one, but don't lean into it. Just backstroke, yeah, and do it again. There you go. Now go forward with the left side. Forward, yeah. But get it in the water. There you go. So Charles, give it a big backstroke with that. Yep, real hard. Again. Then go on the other side with a deep one forward. Now go forward with the other side. Yeah, now paddle. Come towards us. No, you're gonna do a complete circle.
Oh, just let go. What's that?
getting it. You're getting it. You just need to get the paddle in the water on the right angle. You're turn. Yeah. So turn it like that. There. No. Right there. Like that.
Oh, okay.
Windy too, man. You're getting it. You're getting it. Well, we're about a half hour in. Success. Nobody's gone in the water yet. The paddle back should be fun though against the wind. She's windy. She's windy. Fellas, what is it we're looking for?
The whole rod. The wind was so pushy, like when I saw it fall, and then my whole boat was going one way, so I had to try to bring it back.
So other than losing your rod, how you doing?
I was alright. I thought I actually almost caught one, but then like I guess like it just.
Yeah, those weeds feel like fish.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the rod, buddy. If we find it, we find it. If not, no biggie. All part of learning. All part of learning fishing from a kayak. Yeah, we found the rod. We found the rod. Got the rod back. There was no fish on the end of it, like you said, though. It's not as hard. Paddling and stuff's not as hard as people think, you know? Or maybe I'm just too used to it.
It's you.
Is it? Wind's let down a bit. We're heading back up to the other side. These guys have come a long way now. Their paddling is much better. Somebody's enjoying their chocolate bar. Little tiny pike. Paddling, they ended up doing very well. Very well. We've been out for a while. Still giving her. Still giving her. Still giving her.
Oh man, you're super right off.
How do you feel?
I'm very exhausted, but this is a very interesting trip.
You did good, buddy. You did good.
Thank you.
We got the other brother coming in now. So how you feel, man?
Feel good, man.
Ready to go? Ready to go again?
Soon.
Right on. You did good, man. You did really good.
Appreciate it.
So how'd you feel, brother?
It was long, man.
Was it easier or harder?
It was hard.
It was hard?
It was hard. Especially kayaking, like for 8 hours. It's definitely hard.
In the wind?
Especially the wind. Other than that, I mean, it was fun. I understand why people actually stay out long. It was really relaxing.
You did good, man. You did good. Props.
Appreciate it.
How'd you do, brother?
Same with him. Kayaking is the hardest part though, but I think it took me like roughly 20 minutes to get used to it though.
I think it took a little more than 20 minutes, but
Maybe
we'll
a
go.
little 2 hours. Maybe a little more, but no. But wait, you guys left me. You guys remember that you guys left me, so I was practicing my own. But anyway, it was pretty good. And like, I didn't care about fishing at that point. I just laid down and just
Relaxed,
fresh air.
enjoyed it. Yeah, you really seem to enjoy just being out. Your
Yeah.
brother seemed to be more wanting the fishing part of it.
But it was
I
overall
just,
fun though.
I just love doing the raw sea on farm.
Yeah, especially how deep it goes.
Mike?
It was a good day. Good day for the fellas. Try something new. You know, expand their skill sets.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was impressed with them. I didn't think they'd last more than 2 hours.
No, they kept going. We said, you want to come in? And they were like, no, we keep going if you want. It's actually, I wanted to come in. And Mike wants to go to Dairy Queen and get a banana split. So
Definitely.
we're out of here. Good work, bud.
Appreciate it.
Good work.
Appreciate it.
Right on. We're out of here.